Today is another video about how to replace or install the 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius headlights. So what you're gonna need is a 10mm socket and trim tool. That's the most tools you're gonna need for to change this and that. At first, you're gonna need to take this plastic out of the way, and then the bumper gotta be out of the way too. I'll show you how to take them off. So yeah, we're taking this plastic. Here, there, and take it off. There. So now we have 1, 2, those already taken off, and then one here, and there's holders. Just take them off, and then after that. You have these 10mm bolts, 1, 2, and 2 from there. Here, like under the bumper, right here, there is a this one. There's one here, one there, one. There are 4 bolts that you need to take off first, and then take this shell out, and pretty much it. So we're gonna find that under this bumper there is a line. Electric line or a cable that you need to take off too. So yeah, that's how we should do it. Now that we already took off these bolts and screws, and from down here to down there, we need to go to the side. So we gotta try to take this bumper out of here, and on the other side too, and from the bracket. You can see it's off, open it there, and then you go to this. This is the last thing. This is the only thing that's holding it right now. So we're gonna take it off. It's that easy, but you need tools, you know. It's not right. Let's slide it out. That's it. Only thing that's holding it is the bracket behind it. Put it up like that. That's it. Get it down now. Now, see this cable here? You can take it off, or you can keep it right there. Just sit in there and change here and put it back there. Now, when we go here, you gotta open this. 1, 2, and from down here, you just slide it out and take this take it off there. Same thing on the other side. Alright, so we'll just do that one. So we'll just slide it. This one off from the bracket and this one, so it's because it's already attached to it inside here, so you can see. So this goes through here, it gets with the metal right there, and then go all the way to the headlights. So take it off. After that, what you're gonna do, just slide it out like that. That's it. You're done with the side, and the same thing to the other side. After you take it out, slide it out, then you just go and plug all of these lights, and you put the new one plug them in, put it back there. Yeah, it's easy. Just push here and pull it out like that. One. And this. So yeah, you really need this. You really need this. I just took this one out of here, and then you need to take this out of there too. What you're gonna do is just push here, push it like that. When you reposition it, it's all the way down there. Here's what you're gonna do. Alright. Push it in, side in. Got it. So now just twisted it, switch it out, and take it out. If you have a new bolt, put a new one. This is for the signals. If not, put that one in. I'm gonna take the H11 and the headlight, the high beams too. Put them in the new one, and that's it. Now you just put the bolts again in there for the new one, and then you're gonna slide it in just like you take the old one. So try to put it in position first. This has to go to that hole. This hole has to go to the white one there, and there is a trick right here. See this one here? See this? This plastic has to go under it, underneath. So if you don't do that, it's not going to be in position, and maybe this plastic thing is gonna you're gonna break it, and then it's gonna be loose. Even if you fix it from the other side, it's gonna be loose. All right, so just do that. It's in place like that now. Just put it in. See that hole with that hole, that hole with that hole, and this under here. That's it. And then you put your bolts back there. I already plugged it in. It should be working. Let me just try before I fix it. Before I put it back. Yeah, always try to turn it on before you fix everything up. So that's everything on. It's already on. You see my hand like that, and this is the height. Everything's working now, and then just put it in place. As you can see right now, I just put this bumper back after I installed both lights. Now the bumper on this side it's not there yet. I'm putting it right now. Just put it in the bracket like this. First of all, you put a bolt right there for the bracket to hold, and then plug it in. That's pretty much it. And then yeah, that's it. So don't forget to put those bolts back here, and then this cover, and then you're done.